The lion cub encounters a baby elephant by a waterhole. The cub approaches cautiously, but the elephant happily splashes water at the cub, inviting it to play. A colorful parrot flies down to meet the cub. It flaps its wings wildly, as if teaching the cub to fly, while the cub imitates by leaping into the air. The lion cub and a cheeky monkey team up to gather fruit from a tall tree. The monkey climbs up and tosses the fruit down to the cub, who catches it with its paws. The cub, elephant, parrot, and monkey sit together in a jungle clearing, enjoying a feast of fruits. They all share the food, creating a moment of joyful friendship.